Not quite as big. And the story is that during the 80s, the Soviet-Afghan war was happening. All the scrap metal from all the broken down tanks and guns that they would find, they would bring it back over and then replicate firearms.
First they will show you how the gun is making, how the bullet is making. Then they show you the shooting area.
So in the whole town, they make 1,000 guns a day here, and they've been doing that for 70 years. That's a lot of guns. So this guy is making 9mm pistols with his bare hands. The guy who's making it is deaf. It's a Mauser, but it says "Made as China" by Norinco. This is the cartridge. He has no tongue.
3,050 rupees price.
3,050 rupees? Price. We're hearing lots of guns being shot around us, and they're just checking to make sure that the guns work. And they're doing it with live ammo. What I'm wondering is, they shoot it up in the air. Where do the bullets fall?
This one is one of the big and popular shop in this gun market.
Time to go gun shopping. Here's an Italian machine. This is like a Kalashnikov? Kalashnikov. It says it's a Muzzleite. I think you could do some damage with this. The original Khyber rifle. So in 1857, the British gave the Afghanis 10,000 of these. I don't even know where to cock this thing. Where do you put the bullet in?
It's got
you put it in a musket. A musket, right? You put it in. Nazi gun.
German.
German. World War II. Nazi gun. Pure evil in my hand.
So now we will go into the shooting area. Yes, let's go.
Bullet. So, yeah. So we were wondering where they fall, and they don't fall far from us. I'm going to keep it.
Okay, yes, keep it.
You got to be kidding. This is the shooting area? We just had lunch downstairs.
Yes.
All right, let's do this. I'm shooting the enemies in the hills. I've never done this before. It's a Kalashnikov, and I'm kind of nervous. I see my target. I got him. Yeah.
Pakistan Zindabad?
Yeah.
America thought that by sending in troops to Afghanistan and the Pakistani army into the tribal areas, they'd be able to squash the Taliban uprising. They were wrong. The people we saw live in caves. They work in insane conditions, they have no tongues, and they make guns with their bare hands.
We're done. We succeeded in our mission. We came to Dara and we bought guns. We shot them. We saw how it all happens. If you come here, you got to make sure you look the part, and you got to have a guy like Naim to make it all happen.
Shukriya.
And one last thing. Pakistan Zindabad.